The Nikon f2Z adapter lets you extend your creativity possibility by using your existing Nikon F mount lenses on the Z series camera, such as the one I have here, the Nikon Z8. It is designed for seamless integration. It maintains full functionality and autofocus, aperture control, and vibration reduction, just like on your original camera. Built with precision and durability, the adapter ensures perfect alignment between lens and camera, delivering sharp, high quality images without compromise. Whether you're a professional or enthusiast, it lets you bring your trusted lens into the world of mirrorless photography effortlessly. It is quick to attach, easy to use, and reliable in any shooting scenarios. You have the hat to go and put it on and off, which rotates right to open it and left to seal it. The Nikon f2Z adapter brings you the gap between legacy option and cutting edge Z series performances. It preserves your lenses, it unlocks new possibility, and it does not damage your camera, so be absolutely comfortable about it.